Welcome to my review of Gold Bond Hair Regrowth Foam. In today's video, I'll be talking about my experience with this popular hair regrowth product. If you've been dealing with thinning hair or hair loss, you might have heard of Gold Bond's treatment. But does it actually work? I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I want to share my honest thoughts on its effectiveness. Gold Bond Hair Regrowth Foam is a product designed to help people experiencing hair loss, specifically targeting thinning hair. It promises to stimulate hair regrowth with the active ingredient minoxidil. I've used other hair regrowth treatments in the past, and I was curious to see if this foam would be any different. The first thing I noticed when using it was how easy it was to apply. The foam dispenses easily and doesn't leave a sticky residue, which is a plus. I used it twice a day, as instructed, and noticed that it didn't cause any irritation, which is great since I have sensitive skin. In terms of results, I can say that I've seen some improvement. My hair feels thicker, and I've noticed some new growth in areas that were thinning before. It's not a miracle treatment that will work overnight, but it definitely shows progress after consistent use. The foam doesn't leave my hair greasy, and it dries pretty quickly, so it's easy to incorporate into my daily routine without hassle. One downside, however, is that you need to be patient. It takes time for any noticeable changes to occur, so don't expect immediate results. The main thing to keep in mind with Gold Bond Hair Regrowth Foam is that it works best when used consistently. You won't see immediate results, and there's no guarantee that it will work for everyone, but for me, it's been a positive experience so far. It's an affordable option compared to some other hair regrowth treatments, and the fact that it's available over the counter makes it accessible for many people dealing with hair loss. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. In conclusion, I think Gold Bond Hair Regrowth Foam is a solid option for those looking to improve their hair growth. It's easy to use, effective over time, and doesn't cause irritation. If you're considering trying it, be patient and stick with it for the best results. Make sure to check out the description for other helpful links, and if you found this review useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching.